This is Science Rules webcast here, and today we are going to go over the most essential part of a cell's identity, the nucleus.
This production was brought to you by Andrew Rumrill, Minji Kim, and Sam Snow.
So many of you may be thinking, what is the nucleus you speak of?
A nucleus is the cell organelle that carries most of the genes and hereditary information within a eukaryotic cell. This means it contains the set of instructions for how a cell will be structured and function.
The nucleolus is the most conspicuous organelle within the cell and is easily pointed out under a microscope.
The nucleus is the feature that separates a prokaryotic cell from a eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotes have free DNA that is not contained within a nucleus and is much simpler than the nucleus containing complex eukaryotes.
Now that you know what it is, you can understand how it is structured and functions.
The nucleus itself is enclosed by a nuclear membrane that protects it and allows materials to move in and out of the nucleus through pores.
The shape of the nucleus is maintained by the nuclear lamina, and other than mechanical support also helps regulate cell processes.
The center of the nucleus is the nucleolus, and ribosomes are bound to the nuclear envelope.
The nucleus also contains a thick mass of chromatin, which can be seen in micrographs as the cell prepares to divide.
So why is the nucleus important? Partly because of its role in protein production.
The nucleolus houses the site of RNA synthesization, and proteins that are important from the cytoplasm are assembled with RNA into subunits of ribosomes.
The ribosomes are then bounded to the nuclear envelope to perform their job of producing proteins for the cell.
The other key role the nucleus plays is in genetics.
Within the nucleus, DNA is organized into discrete subunits called chromosomes.
Chromatin is the name for the complex of DNA and proteins that make up the chromosomes.
These serve as the set of instructions for how a cell will perform their intricate and important functions within an organism.
So we hope that may have cleared up for you what a nucleus is and why it's so important to a cell, subsequently to an organism, and eventually to the whole world.
This is Andrew, Minji, and Sam from Science Rules webcast signing off.